let us study the basics of geography today. Again, what are latitudes and what are longitudes? Okay, now look here. This is your Earth. Okay, now Earth will have two poles. At the top is the North Pole and at the bottom is the South Pole. So you are clear now? The North Pole and the South Pole. What is in the center? The red line. It is called an equator. The line, it is an imaginary line and it is called an equator. So again, with the help of a pointer, I'll explain you. Here, see, this is your North Pole at the top. Down is your South Pole. And this center line is called the equator, which is an imaginary line. Means what? You cannot see that line on the earth, but it is assumed. The poles are assumed, the line is also assumed. But it is not only one imaginary line. There are other imaginary lines also on the earth. So we will see one by one. As you all know that our earth rotates around its axis. Axis पे घूमता है. Okay, so which is the axis here? I will draw it for you again. See, this one is the axis of the earth. This is the axis of the earth. Our earth's axis is tilted. Now let us see one by one the different imaginary lines first. So in the center, see this one? This is called equator. What it is called? Equator. This imaginary line is called the equator. Now, there is one more imaginary line in the northern hemisphere. You know, North Pole is here. So, there is one more imaginary line in the northern hemisphere above the equator. Above. Upar. So, that is known as Tropic of Cancer. Then there is one more imaginary line below the equator and it is called Tropic of Capricorn. At the poles, or we can say near the poles, in the northern hemisphere we have the Arctic Circle, and in the southern hemisphere near the South Pole we have the Antarctic Circle. So these are the important imaginary lines. So let's repeat. The first one is your equator. Above the equator is the Tropic of Cancer, which is placed at 23.5 degree north. Then below the equator we have Tropic of Capricorn in the south. It is again placed at 23.5 degrees south. Then near the pole, North Pole, we have Arctic Circle, and near the South Pole we have Antarctic Circle. These are all imaginary lines. Now, can you see on the earth there are some red lines which I have marked, and these red lines are running parallel. How they are running? They are running parallel this way. See. Parallel. These all imaginary lines are running parallel from west to east. Okay, now what happens to this? These lines, imaginary line, they run parallel around the earth. Full circle, they form circles. Okay, big circles they form around the earth this way. So, what are these lines called? Those who are running parallel around the earth. They are called latitudes. What are they called? Latitudes. So all these parallel lines which are running around the earth are called latitudes. So can you tell me which will be the biggest circle around the earth? Of course, the biggest will be the equator. This equator goes round. This is the biggest circle. Okay, so this equator is the largest parallel we can say, or the largest latitude we can say, which is placed at 0 degree. So equator is at 0 degree. So now your things are clear. What are latitudes? Latitude मतलब क्या है? These are horizontal lines which run around the earth and they form a circle. These latitudes are also called as parallels. How many latitudes are there in all? 180 latitudes. कितने हैं? 180 latitudes in all. In all मतलब नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ, नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर और सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में टोटल 180 लैटिट्यूड्स है. मतलब क्या? इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर वी हैव 90 लैटिट्यूड्स एंड इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर वी हैव 90 लैटिट्यूड्स. तो overall it is 180 latitudes. Okay, now you understood what are latitudes. Latitudes, they run parallel. Okay, how they run? They run from west to east, this way. They form a circle. Now let us study about the next imaginary line. These are vertical lines. And what are vertical lines? North pole to south pole join होता है. See, from here they will join down to the south pole. So there are imaginary lines which join the north and the south pole. North से south pole join होता है. And these vertical lines are called as meridians. They are known as meridians. Meridians or longitudes. Meridians of longitude. Okay, so you can see all these vertical lines, they join the north and the south pole. So what are they known as? Longitudes or meridians. Total how many meridians are there? Or we can also say total how many longitudes are there? So total there are 360 longitudes in all. Or we can say there are 360 meridians in all. कैसे? They are joining the north and the south pole. That means they are dividing the earth into western and eastern hemisphere. Okay, vertical line जो है वो divide करता है western and eastern hemisphere में. So total how many? 360 longitude are there. But which is the main longitude? Which is the main longitude? I am going to draw here. See this one. This one is the main longitude at 0 degree. What is the name of this longitude? Prime meridian. It is known as prime meridian. And this prime meridian divides the world into western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Means what? We have 180 longitude in the west and 180 longitude in the east. Okay, but how will you read? If it is in the west, it is minus 180. It is read as minus, means minus 0, minus 1 degree west, minus 2 degree west, minus 3 degree west. And if it is eastward, eastward में कैसे read करना है? How will you read it? Plus 1 degree east, plus 2 degree east, plus 3 degree east, this way. And as you know now that this is a prime meridian at 0 degree, but exactly opposite to the prime meridian there is one more longitude and it is known as 180 degree meridian. What it is called? 180 degree meridian. Okay, now which meridian divides the earth into western and eastern hemisphere? So I can say prime meridian. Okay, so it is a 0 degree longitude, not latitude. Latitude 0 degree is equator and 0 degree longitude, or it is called vertical line, it is called prime meridian. So here this picture will make you clear that which is the equator, at what it is placed, degree it is placed. So you can see over here equator is placed at 0 degree. Correct? Then prime meridian, see the second picture, second figure. Prime meridian is placed at 0 degree, but it is a vertical line. and exactly opposite to prime meridian you have another vertical line at 180 degree. Okay, now see the first figure. 0 degree is your equator. So these above the equator are latitudes, below the equator are also latitudes. Total how many are there? 180. Total 180. 90 in the north, 90 in the south. Okay, but now if you want to read the longitudes, or we can say vertical lines, how will you read it? I told you. This is the western hemisphere. So how will you read it? You have to read it minus 0 degree, minus 30, minus 60, minus 90, minus 120, minus 150. Okay, westward. Now if you want to read it eastward longitudes, how will you read it? Plus 30 degree, plus 60 degree, plus 90 degree, or you can also say 120 degree, 150 degree. Okay, this is how you have to read your latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes, how will you read it? Let's see here. Now equator is at 0 degree. Then we will have 1 degree north, 2 degree north, 3 degree north. Okay. Okay, let's see below the equator now. Latitudes. 1 degree south, 2 degree south, 3 degree south. So total how many will be there? So when you will come towards the south pole, it will be 90 degrees south. Okay, and if you go up towards the north pole, it will be 90 degree north. Okay, now how will you read the latitudinal extent of a region, latitudinal or longitudinal extent of a region? I will explain you. I'll make a short video on that also. How will you read it? In the whenever I'll get time, I'll definitely post that video for you. I hope today you understood about how many latitudes are there, how many longitudes are there, and which are the imaginary lines. But let me tell you, boys, only these are not the important imaginary lines like equator, prime meridian, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, Arctic Circle. These you all know, but there are many more. So total how many are there? I will post a separate video on those 20 imaginary lines. Thank you so much.